Okay, guys. In geometry, there is a theorem that says, and it actually was derived from what we did yesterday, parallel lines and transversals. Say if you have a triangle with angles A, B, and C, okay? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is always equal to 180, okay? So all the angles in a triangle are always equal to 180. All right? Okay, so knowing that, you can pretty much solve anything with 1 through 6. Um, let's see. Let's look at one. Well, let's look at number 1. Okay. All right, now, don't forget the theorem. Angle A plus B plus C is 180. Okay. So all these angles got to equal 180. So you know for a fact that you're going to set something equal to 180. Okay. Now, so what it's saying is this angle plus this angle plus this angle is 180. So that's going to be 3x plus 12 plus 6x plus 7 plus 80 equals 180. Okay? Angle A, B, or C, whichever, this is A over here. Now, you're basically going to combine your like terms here. 3x plus 6x is 9x. 12 plus 7 is 19, plus 80 is 99. Okay. Now, I'm going to subtract 99. Now, that cancels out. 180 minus 99 is 89. Let's see. Or, no, 81, right? 9x equals 81. All right. Divide by 9. X is 9. Now, guys, notice it did not ask to solve for x, but you had to solve for x to get the answer. What it wants is it wants the measurement of angle A. So now angle A is 3x plus 12, so it's going to be 3 times 9, because x is 9 now. Israel, come up here and sit, man. All right, now, so angle A. Now, 3 times 9 is 27, plus 12 is 39. Angle A is 39. What do y'all think about that? Pretty easy, right? Do y'all need to see another example for 1 through 6? Okay. All right, now, let's look down here at the bottom. Now, guys, what you have is you have 2 internal angles, interior angles, okay? And you've got an exterior angle. Now, the theorem says that the sum, what's the sum mean, guys? What do you do when you get in the sum? You're adding, right? The sum of the non-adjacent. Why don't you back up here again? What paper? I just gave you a paper. Yeah. Well, go back and sit down. I'll find you one in a minute. Okay. So, guys, the theorem says the sum of the non-adjacent interior angles are equal to the exterior angle. So, guys, what does non-adjacent mean? Well, non-adjacent means they're not side by side. Adjacent means they're side by side. So now, guys, here's my exterior angle. It says the sum of the non-adjacent interior angles. Now, guys, are these two right here adjacent to this? Are these two adjacent to this? Nope. They're not side by side. What it's saying is the sum of these two angles is equal to the exterior angle. Okay, so what that will be is it'd be angle C plus angle D equals angle B. Two internal angles, the sum of those two is equal to the measurement of angle B. Okay? Now, pretty simple math. Okay, so now angle C is 68. Angle D is 17 plus 3x. And angle B is 12x plus 4. Okay? Now, all we're going to do is combine our like terms. 68 plus 17, that's 85. Plus 3x equals 12x plus 4. Okay? All right, now, I'm going to get my x's on one side, constants on the other. So I'm going to subtract 3x here, subtract 3x here, subtract 4, subtract 4. So now, this cancels, that cancels. Okay? Now, 85 minus 4 is 81. And 12x minus 3x is 9x. All right, now, so divide by 9. X is 9. Guys, how would you check that on your test? Guys, you would plug it in. So, guys, what I would do, if you have your calculator, because you're going to have a calculator on test, what I would do, this 9 right here, I do 9 stored as X, press enter. Guys, everybody know how to store a number? All right, I did 9 STO, store as X, enter. Everybody see that? So 9 stored X, enter. That stores it as X. So now you can just type in X wherever it is. Okay, now 68 plus 17 plus 3x. That's 112. Okay. Now type in the outside one. So that's going to be 12x plus 4. Does that tell me that I had the right answer? It does, because when I typed in these and added them together, it gave me the same number as this one. Okay? So X is 9. What do y'all think about that one? Pretty easy, right? Huh? Oh. Now, the last thing I got on here, guys, we've got 3 different theorems on here. We've got triangle sum theorem. All angles in a triangle equal 180. The exterior angle theorem, where the two non-adjacent angles added together is equal to the exterior angle. And then we've got the Isosceles triangle theorem. Okay? Now, on the Isosceles triangle, let's talk about that just a minute. But it will be still equal to 1. All triangles are equal to 180, regardless of what type they are. All right, but this has a few more things to it. Now, on the Isosceles triangle, guys, 2 sides are congruent. 2 legs of a triangle are congruent on a isosceles. All right. Now, with the 2 legs being congruent, the base angles are also congruent. Guys, without knowing this, it'd be hard to solve some of these problems, okay? Two sides are congruent. The base angles at the base of those guys are also congruent, okay? And guys, remember, they still the triangle sum theorem still remains here. All of these have to equal up to 180, okay? All these equal up to 180 degrees. It just got a little bit more that goes with it. Now, so guys, looking at number 13, here are my congruent sides. But what do we know about these two angles right here? They both the same measurement, right? If this is 73, what is this one? 73. So guys, what you have is this. X plus 73 plus 73 equals 180 because it's still a triangle. So it's still triangle sum theorem stays true. Okay? Combine your like terms, be X plus 146 equals 180. When I add those two together, it gives me this. Then subtract. Be X equals 34. Now, so X is 34. So guys, if I plug in 34 here, okay, now, let's see what we get. 73 plus 73 plus 34. Does that prove that my answer is correct? Yes, because all three of my angles are still equal to 180. Okay? Does everybody understand that? What about 17, guys? Looking at this, anybody know how to solve that? What would you do? You could do that. You could do that because basically what it would look like is this, and this is exactly what you're saying. Because what you would do, you'd subtract, not 138. You'd subtract 38 from 180, then divide by 2, right? That would be the math behind it right there. Yeah. Price would be 71, maybe. I think that's everything, guys. Guys, number 16, is there any math to be done here? Number 16. There ain't no math needs to be done there. I gave y'all enough papers. What'd you do with it? Lord of mercy. Here's a paper right here, brother man. Here's your paper. I said, brother man. There you go. Huh? There's no work there, no. It's just knowing the theorems. Anybody need to see anything else? Huh? 16? Did somebody say 16? Now, guys, think about this. Here are your congruent sides, right? What do we know about these two angles here? They're equal. So if that's 35, what's this one? That's your angle. 18 will be 31, yep. Because there's no math to be done there. Now, if the X was up here, you'd have to do a little bit of math. But Guys, Chase. All right, cool, man. Appreciate it.